Welcome to the new Quicken Classic Budget for Mac full guide. This tutorial will walk you through the process of creating and managing a budget using Quicken Classic on your Mac. First, launch Quicken Classic on your Mac and click on the Planning tab. From here, select Budget and then click on Create a Budget. You will be prompted to select the accounts you want to include in your budget. So choose the ones you want to track. Next, set a budget period, which can be monthly, quarterly, or annually, depending on your needs. Quicken will then automatically generate a budget based on your past spending habits. You can customize your budget by adding or removing categories and setting target amounts for each category. It is essential to regularly review and update your budget to ensure it accurately reflects your spending habits. To track your expenses, click on the Transactions tab and select the account you want to view. Quicken will display all your transactions, and you can categorize each one to see how it fits into your budget. To make the most out of Quicken Classic, it is crucial to regularly reconcile your accounts to ensure accuracy. You can do this by clicking on the Accounts tab, selecting the account you want to reconcile, and following the prompts. Additionally, consider setting up automatic transaction downloads to streamline the process of tracking your expenses. You can do this by going to the Accounts tab, selecting the account, and clicking on Download Transactions. By following these steps and regularly reviewing your budget, you can effectively manage your finances using Quicken Classic on your Mac. Remember to stay on top of your expenses and make adjustments to your budget as needed to achieve your financial goals. This concludes the new Quicken Classic Budget for Mac full guide. By implementing these best practices, you will be well on your way to taking control of your finances and achieving financial stability.